Okay, in this video I'm going to be discussing the things that you can do if you install CheckMate and you find that all your ribbon icons are messed up. This is what we call the user interface, where all these ribbons are, and if you find that they're unorganized, messed up, incorrect, there are some things that you can do. The first thing that I would do is I would go in and check my add-ins. So if I go up to the top here and click on my add-ins, the first thing I would do is go in and turn off any applications that you're not using. You can see I've got, if I scroll up and down here, you can see I've got just about all of these extras turned off, and the only things I have turned on is CKMT SolidWorks SW, that's CheckMate, FormatWorks, and the Pro Builder. When you go to turn these off, like say for example one of these other ones up here, when you go to turn them off, make sure you uncheck the box to the left and to the right of the name. So that's the first thing I would do, is go in and turn off add-ins that you're not using. Once you've turned off any add-ins that you don't need, then you can go to the Tools menu up at the top and go down to CheckMate, and if you go across down to the Setup and pull across, right at the bottom down here there's a thing that says Reset the CheckMate UI. So what that does is that goes into the registry and deletes some files that automatically get created when you start up CheckMate. So once you click this, and of course you have to have administrator privileges to execute this command, because it does go into the registry. So you can execute this command and then quit out of CheckMate right away and then start CheckMate back up. When you do that, when you do start CheckMate up, it's always remember to use the CheckMate 14 desktop icon and not the SolidWorks icon, because it does do some cleanup of the ribbons here. So once you execute that reset user interface, quit out of CheckMate, and then go back in and start it back up. Now if that doesn't work, you can try doing it manually. And if I go down to the bottom here to my taskbar, I'm just going to do a click on the search and type in regedit, and you can go in manually into the Windows registry using the registry editor. I'm just going to click on that. So the Windows registry comes up, and you'll see over on the left side there's a few basic folders here. One of them is called HKey Current User. I'm going to open that one up, and then we're going to go down to Software, and then we're going to scroll down into that, and we're going to go in and look for SolidWorks. So I'm just going to open that one. And I'm going to go to my version of SolidWorks that I'm running right now, which is 2024. And we'll open that one up, expand that, and then you'll go down to the bottom of that, and you'll see a user interface folder here. And what you want to do is you just want to right click on that and just rename it. Okay, and maybe put an X in front of it or something like that. Because what will happen is when you start up the software again, it's going to, this folder doesn't exist, it's going to recreate this folder and reset all of your ribbons and toolbars. So that's what you want to do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.